This is Mohammed from the Mansour Real Estate Group with your monthly market speed report. The Globe and Mail, CTV, and the Canadian Real Estate Association all reporting higher sales last month, with some proclaiming that the market is back. So is the market getting better? Is it finally rebounding? The answer is, it depends. Sales are definitely up as sellers lower their pricing expectations to fall more in line with what buyers are willing to pay, and as buyers take advantage of locked-in lower rates. But does that mean that the market is back? Well, if you're one of the hundreds of businesses that benefit from the act of buying and selling, and this includes realtors, movers, and the government through its taxes, by the way, then the market is getting better as the volume of sales continues to rise relative to the previous month. If, however, you're a seller, landowner, or a buyer, then you don't really care as much about how many sales are happening as much as you do about how much something will sell for and the likelihood of it selling, which we call our sales to actives ratio. Basically, the higher the ratio, the better chances of a successful sale, all else being equal. So this is where things get a little bit more complicated. Although September experienced a slight rise in the sales to actives ratio, which does translate to a higher likelihood of success for sellers, prices continued to fall or stay the same across most of the Fraser Valley and fell by 5% in Vancouver. So yes, it is slightly easier to sell right now than it was a month ago, which has given realtors, bankers, government tax collectors, and movers reason to do a little happy dance right now. But for most sellers and buyers, prices are the same or lower than they were last month. Now, I should caution you about these stats, however. I've always been vocal about the risks of working off of aggregated data comprised of multiple cities and product classes, which is what most of the media uses. Aggregating data at that level is akin to me giving you the average sale price of all the cars, trucks, and motorcycles that sold last month in all of BC. It's good to know, but you're not going to use that number to decide that now was a good time to buy that Porsche you've always wanted. So, does all this make it a bad time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? Again, it depends on a lot of factors. Things like type of house, price point, whether you're staying in the same location or not, upgrades, interest rates, mortgage cancellation dates, your debt to service ratio, whether it's a primary residence or investment property, whether you're upsizing or downsizing, your next 12 to 24 month goals, job situation, job changes, current investments, upcoming levies, upcoming renovations, kids' schools, upcoming vacations, and so much more. That's why it's important to sit with a knowledgeable real estate agent who can help you parcel out and interpret the right information and combine it with your situation to come up with the best strategies that help you achieve your goals. So if you're trying to decide whether now is a good time to buy or sell, please don't just go off of what you read or hear in the news or online. Reach out to a trusted and knowledgeable realtor if you have one, or direct message us or click on the link in the description, and we'd be happy to show you how the current market conditions affect your particular situation. Well, that's it for this month's report. Thanks for listening, and I hope you got something out of it. Again, this is Mohammed from the Mansour Real Estate Group. Till next time.